So in September 1981, Byte magazine had an issue come out with the words artificial intelligence on the cover. Looks like we have a copy of the book War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy with a camera pointing directly at it, and then I thus assume what is being recorded by the camera is showing up on this computer screen as it says the last day of Moscow dawned. Really nice synthwave colors they got going on here. So I'm going to jump through a few ads and read what this issue is about. And then in future videos, I'll read some specific articles from this 1981 issue. Chromemco's outstanding Unix-like operating system. Looks like it has tremendous address space, fast access. The second ad is from Chromemco as well. It says, get the professional color display that has basic/Fortran simplicity. Okay, so after this page, we're going to really zoom in and we'll read in this issue. Computerized natural language processing is one of the many topics that have come to be associated with artificial intelligence. As Robert Tinney's cover suggests, computers someday may be able to read and understand War and Peace. Stephen Roberts' article titled Artificial Intelligence is a good place to start, and Natural Language Processing, The Field in Perspective, by Gary Hendricks and Earl Sacerdoti, addresses this month's theme. Donald Byrd discusses the point at which fact meets fiction in science fiction's intelligent computers. And Ronald L. Nichol focuses on the artificial intelligence community's primary language in symbolic differentiation a la Lisp. Steve Siakaria has prepared an alternative way of eliciting speech from a computer with build an unlimited vocabulary speech synthesizer. We also have a description of the Xerox Alto computer by Thomas A. Wadlow, and we take a look at NASA's high-flying computing machinery in Patrick Stakeham's One Step Forward, Three Steps Back Up. So I'll end this video by going back to the table of contents. Keep an eye out for future videos with any of these in the title so you can get a good perspective of what people in 1981 was thinking in terms of artificial intelligence.